Hi everyone, it's Maria here. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to have you guys back. I hope that you guys have had a wonderful Christmas and that you guys are looking forward to the new year, which I know I am. I'm looking forward to just spending a little more time with my family, being able to see a few friends, and maybe not everybody, but at least some. And I'm excited to just keep going with my YouTube channel. It means a lot to me that you guys are back and that you guys are watching my videos. And I look forward to sharing some more with you. Anyway, today's video, which I'm thrilled to share with you, is the third episode of the winter soup series. So today we're going to be doing a tomato and tortellini, and then the other one is a spicy ramen with shrimp, which, as we all know, we can just take a simple packet of ramen and throw it in some hot boiling water and just add some spices. But today we're going to get rid of the spices and we're going to completely change it up so it's a little more nutritious and it will be packed with flavor. Anyway, stay tuned. We will go ahead and get right into that. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, make sure that you do so. I'll put the link in the description below so that you can follow me there. A lot of times I'll post pictures that I don't necessarily share those events here on YouTube, but I'm gonna try and do a little more about kind of like sharing more of my world with you guys. So anyway, I'm again just excited to have this channel and to have you guys watching. It just means the world to me. So anyway, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started with the tomato and tortellini soup. We're going to be needing 2 tablespoons of oil and a tablespoon of butter, 1.5 cups of chopped onion, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, and a 28-ounce can of S&W tomatoes, and it's the one that has the garlic, oregano, and basil. We're also going to be needing a 1.5 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, a teaspoon of basil, a teaspoon of dried pepper flakes, a teaspoon of oregano, a tablespoon of sugar, 6 cups of chicken broth, a cup of heavy whipping cream, a bag of cheese tortellini, and 2 cups of chopped spinach. Okay, so in a large pot, let's go ahead and add our oil and our butter. And then to that, we're going to go ahead and add our onions, the garlic, there we go, and the salt, and the pepper. Just give that a really good stir. Okay, so I'm using the S&W tomatoes. It's the ones with the garlic, basil, and oregano. I already had it open, some spilled in, but we're actually going to go ahead and just put that in the blender and puree it. And as you can tell, I've gone ahead and poured that right into the pot. So this is our Italian seasoning, our basil, the pepper flakes, the oregano, sugar, and then finally we're going to go ahead and add these 6 cups of chicken broth. Okay, so putting this soup together really doesn't take very long. The longest time that is going to take is letting this boil. So we're going to go ahead and put the lid on this, leave it on high, and we're going to boil that for 45 minutes. I would say like medium high. Okay, so now that that's been boiling for the 45 minutes, let's go ahead and bring the temperature down to a low, and we're going to let this sit for 10 minutes. Okay, now that it's cooled down a little, we're going to go ahead and add our heavy whipping cream. Go ahead and add the tortellinis, and these are cheese tortellinis. And just go ahead and let that sit in that for about 3 to 5 minutes. Tortellinis don't take very long to cook. And then after that, let's go ahead and add our spinach. And then after about 2 minutes, your soup is ready. This is a very simple and easy recipe, and it tastes so delicious. Okay, so moving on to the second recipe, we're going to be making the spicy ramen and shrimp soup, and we're going to be needing 2 tablespoons of oil, 1/2 cup of chopped onions, 2 teaspoons of garlic, 3 sliced carrots, 2 stalks of celery, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, about 1 inch of chopped ginger, and 6 cups of chicken stock. Okay, so we're also going to be using 2 packages of shin noodles, a tablespoon of rice wine, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a teaspoon of gochujang, I believe it's pronounced, it's chili paste, half a teaspoon of chili garlic sauce, a pound of raw shrimp, I'm using small, 4 stalks of chopped bok choy, and 2 cups of chopped cabbage. Okay, so in a large pot, let's go ahead and add our oil, and then to that we're going to go ahead and add our onions, our garlic. Just give it a quick stir. Okay, so let's go ahead and add our carrots, our celery, and then again just stir it around, kind of saute that. Not completely soft, just a little bit, just a little tender. Okay, let's go ahead and add our salt, our pepper, and again let's just stir that around. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add our ginger, okay, and then now we're going to go ahead and add our chicken stock. Okay, so while that is getting ready to boil, in a separate pot, I am going to go ahead and take the noodles, and it comes with 2 little packages, so we're going to go ahead and discard those packages, and I'm going to just boil the noodles. And like I said, it's 2 packages. You're only going to do this for 4 minutes, so you don't want your noodles to overcook. And then once they're done, you're just going to go ahead and rinse them in cold water, and then just set those aside. Okay, so we're back to our pot. I just added the rice wine. Here is our soy sauce. This is the gochujang, which is the chili paste. There we go. Okay, and this is a chili sauce. It's a chili garlic sauce. Our red pepper flakes. And we're just going to bring that to a boil, and then once the vegetables are a little tender, we're going to go ahead and add our shrimp, our bok choy, and our cabbage. And this recipe is also very quick. You'll be able to see the shrimp cooks up in just a few minutes, starts to turn pink and gives it a little curl. So you know that's done. And then afterwards, we're just going to go ahead and add our noodles to it. That's simple. You can take a simple, basic ramen package and make it into something very nutritious. So I love giving this to the kids because I know that they're eating something other than just pasta. So anyway, I hope you guys make this. I hope you've enjoyed it. And if you do, make sure that you leave a comment below and let me know which one you tried. And there you have it. Look how delicious that is. It is a little spicy, so if you want to maybe cut back on some of the spice, you can do that. But it's absolutely wonderful. I love this, and the kids eat it up. Thank you guys for watching. I really do hope that you've enjoyed this video and that you are making 1, 2, or all of the soups. I would love to hear from you guys if you guys are. Make sure that you tag me on Instagram, share the photos so I can see what you guys are making. Anyway, I am excited to probably keep this going through the end of January, maybe 2 or 3 more videos of this particular series. Again, I am posting other videos as well, but I just really love what I would consider like soup season because it does get really cold and it just makes it home nice and cozy and just smells so wonderful when you're making a big old pot of soup. Anyway, you guys, I will see you guys next time. I'm excited to share 2021 with you, and I will see you soon. Bye. Thank you all for watching, and as always, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Love you all. Until next time.